Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and so much sparkle came today. I am super excited. I opened the box and saw what was inside and cannot wait to show you. So on the other side of this clip, I will see you soon. What is this? This is a crystal canvas art. I'm super excited. Amy, you are amazing. You and your team have just blown through that merchandise and got it on the shelf, got it out. When she said that she had like 900 orders in one day, I was like, holy cow, it's gonna take 3 weeks to get it. And I was okay with that, definitely. But I was super surprised I received it as quick as I did. Her team is phenomenal. And Crystal Canvas Arts, Amy Reed, she is a grandma. So she also had a birth in there at some point. So I am opening this up as best as I can. The struggle, the struggle. Here we go. Let's see if I can get this. And I purchased this same piece from AliExpress in a non-crystal. And when she showed this in crystal form, I'm like, I've got to have it so I can do a comparison. And I absolutely love the picture as well. I'm going to show you a little bit of the drills. Crinkle, crinkle. So as you can see, Amy is US based and she gets her shipments in. She organizes them. She has her website, which is down below. I'm also doing an Earth Day collab. If you want to head over and see her canvas in action, you can see one coming together and breathing life into it. Feel free to check that out. Just a minute while I uncrinkle. Okay. Then once they're in her house/warehouse, she posts them up on her website and ships them direct from the United States, and it is free shipping, which is really nice. So normally you're going to get them between 2 to 4 days depending on how far away from where she lives. I was laughing hysterically when like 2 UPS trucks pulled up because it was 4,000 canvases. Can you imagine 4,000 boxes coming to her house? Crazy. And then she showed a picture on her Facebook group. Go check that out, of her shipping her first shipment out that day. And I'm like, that poor, he was gonna have to come back and fill his truck 3 times. Oh my gosh, we love diamond painting that much, right? So these are all rhinestones. The only one that's not a rhinestone is going to be your 310. That is because it's used for outlining or for depth of picture. It gives a little substance, it gives your eye a little break, and then it actually makes the other colors pop much, much more. And there's so many colors in this, it's a rainbow. So let me show you what it looks like. You guys ready? So here she has crystal art, and her website is crystalcanvas.us right here. And this is her little logo. It has 27 colors. Is this not to die for? This is the rainbow succulent. It's beautiful. So I have the regular one from Disc Paint off of AliExpress, but this one is in crystal, and I'm just breathless by it. Her prices are also absolutely phenomenal for the quality. There's hardly any trash whatsoever of what I'm using so far. I'm also using my mesh ruler, which I am able to put all of the drills through, and that's great. Okay, I'm going to show you the symbols in just a minute, but how breathtaking is that? It's a 40 by 50, my favorite. She does have a slightly different toolkit. The canvas is a heavy canvas material. This is her tray. Her tray is the square tray. One side is for rounds, one side is for squares. I don't use this tray because the wall, there's no way to pour it back in and the walls are really short, but feel free to try. You also get a single placer. You get tweezers, pointy tweezers, and you get a piece of wax. So everything you need comes in the kit. If you're a newbie, you don't need anything special. You get the toolkit, you get the drills, and I'm gonna come around to the other side and show you the symbols up close because they are, some of them are unique. They're letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, and I have measured Amy's before and they are true to size. See if I can get you in here without too much. Okay, so you can see there, they are very clear. Let's get to the darker side. So they're super clear, easy to read. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And it's poured glue, so you can roll it back up, stick it back in the box, and store it that way. You can hang it on a hanger if you want. You can put it in a portfolio while you're waiting to do it, but I'm going to be doing it pretty close to right away. But that's roughly 3 to 6 months because it takes me a while. I end up doing 3 projects at once because I love them all. I can't decide. And then I'm antsy because it takes me forever to get 3 projects done, but hey, that's the way I've done it. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I can't wait till you see what I have up my sleeve in the next couple weeks. So I hope you hang around. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.